Skill number 2. Organizing references or resources by categories. You may assign each reference to one or more categories in order to group your sources by topic. This is particularly important to see if we have enough resources for each topic or subtopic, or for each category or subcategory. Now, I am going to assign the first reference on our list here to category number 2. So I click on it and then I hold on to my mouse and then drag it. Hover my mouse over category number 2 and then I let go of my mouse. Once done, I click on category number 2 and then I see that the reference have been assigned to category number 2. Next, the second reference on our list here, I click on it and then I hold on to my mouse and then drag it towards category number 3. That is where I want to assign it, and then hover my mouse over category number 3 and then I let go of my mouse. I click on it and then I see that that reference have been assigned to category number 3. Next, the third reference on our list here, I want to assign it. I click on it and then I am going to now assign it to category 2.4. I left click and then hold on to my mouse and then drag it over to category 2.4 and then I let go of my mouse. Now once done, I click on it and then I see that the reference have been assigned to category number 2.4. It is possible to assign a reference or a resource to more than one category in our category system. So in this case, I am going to assign our first reference on our list, which was already assigned to category number 2 previously. I am now going to assign it to category number 1 again. So I drag it, hover my mouse over category 1, and then I let go of my mouse. I click on it, and then I see that that particular reference have indeed been assigned again to category 1. When I click on All, found at the top of the screen on the left-hand side, I am given a list of all my references for this research or for this project. And when I click on No Categories, I am given a list of all the references that have not been assigned a category within this category system for this project. This feature is useful in keeping track of all those references that have not been assigned a category within my category system.